Okay, Scott here, Scott Mechanics, with a 2007 Audi A4 2 litre diesel. We have a no start problem here. Turn the ignition on. And lifting up the key. There's two possible causes. Could be a flat battery, which it isn't. We've got 13.8 coming out the battery after charging it. So it's probably the starter motor. So we need to check that and see what works on the starter motor. So I'm going to show you now where the starter motor is and how to check it. Okay. This is this Audi A4, the no start. What we've got here, this is Power Probe's air key turner. What you got here is a motor that turns the key. If I flick it to normal, you can see all the dash lighting up. And if we turn it again, it tries to start the key. Nothing's happening. But what we can do with this is turn the dash off, turn the key on, try to start it. And we'll also be able to check it at the starter motor by operating this in our hand. So key on, see all the dash lighting up. Key off, dash goes off, and it's quite dark to see the key. We'll try and zoom in on that for you. You can see that turning. Yeah, you can see the key turning there. Key off. Excellent bit of kit. Not available in the UK, I'm afraid. We had to buy it from America. Power Probe don't sell them here yet, but very good if you're testing something on your own. Thank you. Okay, we've turned our ignition on with this, so we know the key's on. Try and start it. You can hear nothing going on down here. What we're going to do now is just check the ground. So if you take a bolt that goes to the starter motor, use our Power Probe hook, and you can see that's grounding. Give it a test and we get a pass. So the starter motor's got a good ground. Can't really get to the live on this one. Here's our new starter motor. Pretty inaccessible. We've got a plug in here and the wire going to that, so we're going to do that one off the car, I'm afraid. Take it off. We'd like to test it on the car, but we'll take it off the car. But with a good ground and a good battery, it's either relay supplier, ignition switch or the starter motor. My suspicions on this one are the starter motor. Okay, car was running fine up until this. Okay, this is this starter motor on the Audi. Managed to pull it off so we can get it in to let you see what you've got. It's really hard to see. I think we've got it there. Try and come back a bit. We've got a red locking tab there. So hard to get the camera in to see. There you are, that red tab. On the top right of the picture is the actual locking tab for the plug-in where the solenoid engages on the key. So we need to pull that out and then undo the bolt above it. 13mm. Two bolts on the other side with 16s that hold it and pin in the middle. So we'll pop that out. Okay, Scott here, Scott Mechanics. We're just doing the final bit of this Audi A4 2-litre diesel starter motor. What we got here is a set of jump leads on a battery connected here to the starter motor on the ground side and on the main feed here to the starter motor. So we'll connect that there. And then what we're using, because it's got a plastic bit in here, to get inside this plug there's a spade connector inside it. Can't clamp on it with our normal clamp, but we can touch it here. Got a power probe for the fixed switch, so you can have it locked on. Get red here, 12.4. It's a good battery, good connections, and that's a ground. So what we should do, if we touch this spade in here, live it, there you can see what's signal there. That's indicating the key being switched on. So we'll turn that live. You can see 12.4. We go in here, see the voltage drops down to 10.8 and nothing. So dead solenoid there on the starter motor. That was a good one. It would be firing over. Here's where the AA guy was hammering it with a hammer. Sometimes that works, but it's the solenoid that's gone down in this one. So a good call, new starter motor on there. It shows you the old one bad. So we like that, thank you. Okay, this is the Happy Starter motor fitted, 2007, 2-litre diesel. This is our power probe, key assist, so it works the key. Ignition off, ignition on, press to start, and it starts. Turn her off. Try again. Awesome bit of kit, and it needed a new starter motor.